welcome to another superstar, another upcoming superstar. When I say superstar, I say and I mean best upcoming artist. Right now in the studio, I've got my man D-Wise. Once again, my nigga, welcome to my show. Thanks for making it, my bro.
No problem, my guy.
Yeah, my nigga. Yeah, this is Commander CMB. You can follow me on Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on. You can follow me, Commander CMB. You can follow me on Facebook as Creator Studio. You can follow me on Instagram as Creator Studio. Everywhere you go, you find us. But this page is your page. Fans for fans, upcoming for upcoming. So, my nigga.
Yes.
What's up, my bro?
Yes.
How is life?
Life's cool, man.
Despite this COVID.
Yeah, we are surviving.
Amen. First and foremost, where's your face mask? How did you travel way back from here to, from where your place to here? It says Poxy's house, you know, where's Pox? Mickey had some interviews earlier on with Poxy, yeah, and I don't know how you guys linked up with each other, and I had this privilege to interview you, you know. I was like, no, I can't just go, let me just do it today.
Okay, where I stay, it's not very far. I traveled all the way from Ndeke just to come here for the interview. Zipox is a very good friend of mine.
Okay.
Yeah, we share a lot of things together. We've got a lot of things in common. Yeah. So that's what's happening, my guy.
Okay, talking of your name, first of all, me I always start with your name. How did you come up with your name? D-Wise. The wise. You mean you're the one of the wisest? Come on, my brother. Share with your fans there.
You know, a lot of people ask me that question. So they think that wise, it's wise of wisdom. Actually, Don Wise. How I came up with Don Wise. Don is from my real name, Donut.
Okay.
And Wise, it's not wise as in W-I-S-E. It's W-H-Y-Z. Meaning Y-Z. Yeah, Y-Z. Ukazikamba.
You guys are alive. You know, earlier on I spoke to Poxy and I was the same, you guys.
Yeah.
And I've seen you smoking. Don't you worry about your phone. You smoking.
No, I shouldn't hide the way I am. I'm not a pretender.
You're alive.
I don't pretend actually.
I want to link up with Muzo.
Muzo, aka
Alfonso. So, before I get to Muzo,
yeah,
I've got some questions here for you. What your fans would love to hear about you.
Yeah,
your music. When did you start your music?
Actually, I grew up in music, I can say.
Okay.
Though music industry is very hard and tough nowadays.
Okay.
I've been an upground artist since I started my own music in 2008.
Oh, that long you've been in the game, man.
Yeah.
Before Tuesday International, before 408, before Dog Boys. You.
As an
you're not an upcoming. I can consider you as the OG artist.
I'm telling you.
Time you have been a Danny Kaya.
Yeah.
Time you have been a Makitu.
Then Ozzy. We used to hear Ozzy. In fact, Ozzy.
By the way, who's your favorite artist? Yeah, that's where I wanted to go. My brother, who's your favorite artist?
My favorite artist used to be Ozzy back then. But right now, my favorite artist.
Come on, my bro. Mwala wa favorite artist.
Okay, I can say, okay, frankly speaking,
okay.
I don't have a favorite artist.
Yeah, your favorite artist.
Yeah, I'm my own favorite artist, but I'm inspired by other artists.
Whom do you inspire?
Yeah, my inspiration came from. You know, I used to enjoy PJ's songs a lot. He had that feel. Yeah,
that echo.
Right.
Give her that echo tomorrow if that was your favorite artist. Give her that echo.
You know, I love that song done by PJ. Hello. Baby, these are the times. Moi, the baby, to feel a fier. Won't say pas more. PJ.
My nigga. You guys, Ndola you go. But Ndola Charlie, nigga. I'm in Ndola right now. As I'm speaking to D-Wise, I'm in Ndola right now.
Once again.
Masala, by the way. Poxy's house. Poxy's wood. And I'm respected. Thanks, my niggas. I love you guys. Yeah. So one thing, you know, your fans there, you know, you as you got a couple of fans. You've talked about when you started music, you said 2008. You've talked about what you did earlier back then. Yeah. What are your fans expecting, my brother? What are your fans expecting?
My fans, I can say, should expect a lot. There are a lot of people who know me actually, my music.
Just cut it short. I heard when I was coming in my car. I heard one of the child Balemba who can I was like, who did this song? The child was like, but D-Wise, you. That song made a hit.
That song actually. That song,
what are you waiting for?
Who can temwa? Yeah, the fans should expect it very soon on the media. It's latest update actually.
Okay.
It's titled Who Can Temwa. It's for those who are still searching. I found already.
Let me just take you back. You said you found already, right?
Yes.
Manji, did you do that song previously or latest? Because did you do it before you found your latest or what?
Okay, that's...
Sorry for that question, my brother.
Okay, that track I can say I wrote it before I found my own basically. And then I came to release it after I've already found it. Meaning that feeling that I had back then.
Okay.
Even though I've found my one, but there are still a lot of guys who are searching.
You know, being an artist is a big word. You have to think beyond.
Yeah.
Think beyond.
You just don't sing what you're going through.
No.
You also sing
what is going through other people's minds and what, you know, the pain they're going through.
You feel me?
My brother.
You feel me?
So what type of music do you do? Is it hip hop? Is it secular, gospel? What's on? People are really... I'm sorry fans, I'm very sorry otherwise. Let me do this. D-Wise,
yes,
does songs
once again,
and the kind of song that he does, my guys, you know, they are really extraordinary. You know, next time in my studio, if they came to my studio, these guys, only that they said no, yeah, I would have given you fans their samples, but I'll do as wise in my next clip. So, talking of your music, is it secular or it's gospel? What type of music do you do? Let your fans know.
Alright, this one for my fans out there, they should expect a lot from Don Wise. You know, as an artist, I just don't only do like secular music. I go by that term, artist. So I do also...
An artist can do anything.
Any kind of music, I'm telling you. I do gospel music, I do rap, I sing.
You owe me something.
Songs.
You owe me something, my nigga. You owe me something.
Oh, so long it's music, I do music. Reggae, I've got a lot of reggae music. I'm telling you the truth.
So
just
now,
have to be patient.
I know. So, according to your voice, my nigga, so like Ozzy. Yeah. Frankly talking, according to myself, I don't know about my fans and your fans. They'll say something. They'll post. Just post any comment that you want. Post. You're welcome, you guys. Okay, you said you can do reggae. You said you can do R&B. According to what you said, you said you can do hip hop. Out of whatever I've mentioned, you do a freestyle of each. That's my challenge for you, brother. Sorry, I don't know if you can manage, but me, your fans are waiting for something. You know, D-Wise, follow him on Facebook. D-Wise. YouTube, D-Wise.
I would like to go on a break first.
Alright. Money, take care.
I'll give you a ghetto gospel, a reggae one. It's a ghetto gospel. It's called like this. Bali, Fonse ni mala, kwa Jehova ni nipempa, urukile ni kumine. Bali, Fonse ni mala, kwa Jehova ni mipempa, ni kurukile ni kumine. 'Cause every time I fall short from your glory, then there's any good in it. 'Cause every time I fall short from your glory, And this is
I'm a fan of man, this should be your album, man. This is a good song. Don't give them all, man. Those freestyles?
Yeah, they're freestyles, but since they're freestyles, I'll put them in my album. And don't forget.
That's my encouragement.
These freestyles soon will be released.
Chilling with my guy, DYZ.
Once again.
DYZ.
Yeah.
Couple swag niggas. Please Commander CMB on this show, hosting you live. Couple ukira na wapeza. Can peza na kulusaka one day. Tirinabo all the time, all the while. Magamba, thanks for very much for making this show. And thanks very much that you made it. Hope to see you next time. Next time to Studio Command for some place.
No problem, bro. I'll be there.
Oh, Poxy Fialungina! Timbula. See you next time.
Alright.